13 meteorologist Rachel Bryars, and here's a look at your 1-minute weather. Well, I want to start off with what's happening over in the tropics. We are heading into the peak portions of the Atlantic hurricane season, and you can definitely tell we have two tropical waves that are further off to the east over into the Atlantic, but the one that we are watching very closely is this tropical wave, which is currently in the eastern portions of the Caribbean. As it moves to the west over the next couple of days, it should encounter some shear, and that should actually not allow it to develop much, but once it gets closer to Central America or over in towards the Yucatan Peninsula, we could see it try to develop. Right now, it has a 60% chance of development in the next 5 days. And we are going to be watching this one closely because we cannot rule this out making its way through the Yucatan Peninsula and then into the southern Gulf. Actually, this model is showing it trying to make its way into the southern Gulf. So at this time, we cannot completely say where this is going to go, if it will develop, if it will not develop. But at this time, we can also not completely rule out any sort of impacts here to the state of Texas. So that is why we need to make sure we watch this one very closely. Main thing I would say right now, just make sure you keep up to date with us. We'll continue to update you on the status of this system every single day, multiple times a day. Also, make sure you have that hurricane kit prepared. No matter what, we are heading into the peak portions of this season, so you want to make sure that's prepared in case you end up having to use it. Back here at home, though, today it's just going to be hot out there. Looking at our high temperatures again, rising up into the upper 90s. We do have a very slight chance of rain, only about a 10% chance. We'll get to that in just a moment. But in terms of high temperatures, near 99 in Conroe today, 96 in Pearland, 93 in Galveston, 94 expected in Bay City. And here's a look at that 10% chance of rain. Yep, a couple of isolated little bitty showers and storms cannot be ruled out, but most of us will stay completely dry. But our rain chances will start to go up a bit more as we head into Wednesday as well as into Thursday. We actually are expecting a disturbance to make its way in from the east as we head into Wednesday, giving us a chance for a few showers and storms. And then on Thursday, more of that moisture streams on in along with the disturbance. Put those two things together, that will give us another chance for some scattered showers and storms. So don't need the umbrella for the first half of the week, but keep it handy for the second half and keep it around as we head into this weekend as well. And then next weekend, a lot of that will depend on what ends up happening with that tropical system. So again, make sure you